Hey guys, so today we are going to be creating an Aquaman look. So first off, we have to make his legendary scarred brow look. So I'm taking some washable glue stick and a sculptor's tool and just creating that cut scarred look in my eyebrow. Once those are done, we're going to start tracing his tattoos on our chest. So I have a reference picture that I'm just going by, and I'm using the NYX Precision pencil to map all that out. And then this whole look is created with the black Mehron Paradise paint, and I got it off Amazon. It is a water activated paint and it is amazing. So I'm just going to start filling in all of the black. There is the right side, woo woo. Now I'm going to go to the left. Now don't let this fast motion fool you. This took forever, literally forever, but it had a really cool ending effect. There were some pieces that I would like to fix up. The shoulder piece needed to be a little bit more clean, but you live and you learn. If I do it again next time, I'll make it a little bit sharper like his actual tattoos are supposed to be. So just filling all of that in with black paint. And I didn't film this, but I also took some translucent powder after I was finished with the paint, and I put that all over my chest, everywhere where the black paint was, just to make it look like it was blended into my skin like a natural tattoo. That's the key to make it look good. I went and did my eyes all nice and smoky like he has. And I'm going to fill in the rest of my brows with the NYX Precision Brow Pencil. I'm going to try to make my brows a little thicker than normal, and also just kind of pushing them up into a defined shape. And then to make sure that that scar really looks defined, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape and a very thin brush and just putting that in the part of my brow that I want to look scarred up. Scar-like. Scarred? Yes. So after I did that, it made me super excited, and I just went in with the brow pencil and really just defined that harsh line part. I'm going to be taking the Laura Lee Los Angeles liquid lipstick in 2 different colors and making my lips look nice and nude and a little bit darker than my skin tone. Alright, I'm going to go put my wig on and I'll be right back. Okay, so this was just a short, sweet, simple tutorial for DC Comics Aquaman. Of course, this was based off the Jason Momoa version of Aquaman, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys next Friday at 10 a.m. Bye.